Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check serial number for your speaker XIAOMI Sound Party. And basically we have two options how to check it. The first one, we can find this information at the box. So at the bottom, you need to turn over it. At the bottom, at the right side, so right here we have SN, what means serial number, and this one your serial number. And this is your first option, how to check serial number. The second option is to find this information at your speaker. At the back side, we have the plug with the lightning bolt icon. Open the plug. And right here also we have SN, one again mean serial number, so this one your second option. This speaker haven't dedicated application, so we cannot find this information in the application because there is no application. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!